This is a boat that was a recent purchase, and the owner had started working on it, and he put a fuel pump on it. This is a fuel pump that he'd taken off of there. As you can see, I don't think I've ever seen one quite. He didn't take it apart, so he never saw the inside of it, but you can imagine. So he put a fuel pump on it, and then it wouldn't run, and I changed the belt. It had the wrong size belt on it. Changed the spark plugs. You can look at those spark plugs. I mean, the first thing you do, especially on a 4-cylinder engine, is change the spark plugs, and those have obviously not been changed for a long time. There's a fuel sample. But we built the carburetor because it was letting all the trash. That didn't do much as a fuel filter. So spark plugs, belt so it wouldn't squeal, built the carburetor, fuel sample, fuel pump that was replaced, and now here's how it runs. Go ahead. Good water flow. Props clear. Okay. Sounds like it's running pretty good. I do notice the water's spraying up here. What's leaking? Where's this water coming from? Circulation pump, hose. Anyway, we'll find it. And some put a new starter on it too. We're just learning.
It's the water pump.
The water pump.
Coming out of the weight bowl.
So his circulation pump has a leak in it, so that'll have to be changed, but it's no big deal. It just has a small seal bad in it. But see, it doesn't even show it's leaking right now. That was something that just showed up. All right.